Hi my lovely viewers, this is a light one learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to extend partitions in Windows 11. So for this case we will go to the File Explorer here and this PC, right button click, show more options. You haven't seen the which manage option, so click here. This is the thing here, the disk management, just click the thing and here extend it or combine. So how? So this is the thing, so we'll click the right button and the extended volume, so click here and just press the next. See, this is the disk 0 which were available. The thing has been available, that's why it has revealed here. See, so when you just click here, disk selected on this and finished. See, the thing has 6.84 GB NTFS. So in this way we can do this thing. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.